How to check a PayPal account country. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can know the PayPal account country of yours. So without any further delay, let us get started. First thing first, you can also follow along these steps via your PayPal application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. Launch your Google Chrome application or any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in paypal.com, then get logged into your PayPal account. You will see a page like this once you are into your account. Tap on 3-bar icon on your top left-hand side. Then you will see a settings or gear icon. Open it. Under here, by default, you will get landed onto this account tab. And now at this page under account options, you will be able to see your country name under nationality. And just like so, that is how you can easily find out the country or location of your PayPal account. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.